So how do you know if the child lock is on? You unlock all the doors, but the sliding door won't open. What's going on? It's the child lock. This is the child lock on the sliding door. It's hard to see, but there is a picture of a locked lock and a picture of an unlocked lock. So make sure it's this way for unlock and that way for lock. And even if you manually lock and unlock the vehicle, it's not going to unlock this door unless you actually unlock it. And I undid the child lock. And now I can get up.